Channel, and yes, Enjin Coin. Let's talk about it now. I know we're all excited about this project. I understand that. And what I'm about to do is I'm going to explain to you what is currently happening, because I know there's a lot of confusion. People are thinking, wait, what's going on? Why is it going down? I'm going to explain why. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So make sure to do your own research. And remember, you can join us. Click the link in my Telegram. Click the link in my description. Join the Telegram and stay up to date with all our recent gems, updates, etc. And of course, if you want those juicy entries, targets, and whatnot under the radar gems, you can join the premium channel by signing up to the link below. Now, with that being said, let's talk about what's happening with Enjin. So as you guys know, I have been updating on this cryptocurrency for quite some time now. And what's quite interesting is a lot of people we're super excited about this project. Now, of course, around this level here is where we were expecting price to sell off, right? And remember, guys, this was prior to the Coinbase Pro announcement. Please keep that in mind. And this is why fundamental data is so important. But I did say specifically, unless price breaks and closes below the $2, I wouldn't be selling my coins at all. Or if I was, it would only be a small portion. But regardless of that, guys, there's water off a duck's back. Price spiked on the announcement of the Uniswap listing and rallied just under 100% since on the listing. And of course, as always, on the listing we started to see price sell off, and we're currently down. Well, the sell off is currently down about 24% at the moment, 24%. Now we're seeing a classic example of buy the rumor. So let me just draw this in so you can all be clear. So buy the rumor and then sell the fact. And this applies to pretty much every market: stock market, FX market, most even commodities market. Really, every market. This is a common theme, right? On a rumor of an announcement, we see price spike up, and this is mainly FOMO. This is mainly people that do not want to miss out on the opportunity. So a lot of people are pouring money in, and of course you have the hodlers or the people that are already holding. In their mind, they're like, okay, cool, well, I'm either going to add positions or I'm going to sit tight and see what happens, right? So that added pressure drives price up. Now on the actual listing, right, what tends to happen, obviously this wasn't the listing, but this was an all-time high. What tends to happen is you could maybe see a price move to the upside a little bit more, but then we start to see the profit taking happening, right? So what we're seeing now is a lot of profit taking, right? That's a huge move. So the people that bought here, they're seeing their money double. So in their mind, they're either going to cash out 100% and run and walk away with the gains, or they're going to take out 50% and walk away with the gains. And then we're also going to see people that were maybe hodling for a long time that are going to say, you know what, I'm happy with profits, and they may completely close out of their profits. Or of course, they may take maybe 20-25% profits and maybe look for a better entry at a cheaper price. But this is what tends to happen, which is why we see the sell-off on the actual announcement date, right? So it's important to keep this in mind. So don't have any fear and be like, okay, well, Enjin is no more. It's not going to work out anymore. This thing's going to zero. You shouldn't have that mentality. You should see this as an opportunity now to actually get in at a cheaper price. Of course, ideally, this would have been the best price. But now that we found potentially a new support area, although we could see price maybe go a bit lower, maybe even go back down to the $2 mark. Who knows, right? We're yet to see what would happen. But I do expect this to hit really, at least $4 to $5 within the next 2 months, maybe even less than that. I mean, that's only to $5 mark. That's only a 66% move. I'm expecting really big things for this project. Is it overvalued? I mean, we could say that about a lot of NFTs at the moment, or NFT, or a lot of projects at the moment. Are they overvalued? To be honest with you, in the grand scheme of things, I do believe a lot of these projects are still undervalued. But in the short term, we might be, which is why we're going to see a bit more profit take place. But nevertheless, just to let you guys know, no matter what happens, this still remains a good project fundamentally. And as long as those underlying fundamentals remain the same, I don't understand why your outlook should change based on day-to-day price action, right? So if you're a day trader, again, nothing to worry about. I still believe that this is going to go to the moon. If you're a hodler, as long as those fundamentals remain the same, you should also have nothing to worry about. Now, of course, if the fundamentals completely change, it's a different case, and I will do an update video on this. But yeah, apart from that, last major update, Coinbase listing. Sorry, having a bit of a tongue twister here, but yeah, Coinbase listing. Are we going to see more updates? Most likely, and that could maybe send this coin to go up even more. But that was just a quick update, guys. I don't want you guys to feel like, oh my gosh, this is it. But yeah, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. And obviously, we saw a lot of greed, which is why we saw that sell-off happen. But guys, still bullish on this project. And remember to click the link in my description and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And if you believe I shared immense value with you, share it with your friends. Do not be greedy. Sharing is caring. With that being said, guys, seize the day.